Hello, this is Edward with Grimes Paint and Body. I just wanted to come to you guys today and just show y'all some of the level of details that we do here at Grimes Paint and Body. I don't take near enough time to show off the detail of the team around here, the work, the type of work that they do here. Man, these guys are just amazing that work on your vehicle. I love every one of them, and I should take more time in praising them. So I was looking at a car, just going over this car behind me that we had just got out of the paint shop and was just looking it over. And man, I was just so impressed at how, how clean this repair is. This is something I just wanted to bring over and let you guys see. So I'm going to spin this camera around. Here's the fender we had painted, and then we actually put a roof on this vehicle. You kind of see the quality that we did there. We left that primer there for the urethane to go back onto for the new windshield. But came in and just painted that whole area because you're going to burn the paint on these panels between the roof and the cab corner. But you can kind of just see how, if you didn't know any better, you would not know this roof had been replaced. Um, it's got all the factory weld seam sealer that matches. Just very clean work. And I want to show you guys inside too. This roof actually came black, both sides of it, and we come back in and just try to duplicate the factory finish. So these panel here is not truly painted all white. It's kind of got olive green primer e coat on it, and it's just oversprayed, so you can kind of see like how that matches, and then all the welds underneath here. There's no burn marks from where the welds were. It was all cleaned up and repainted. Um, Even this back panel, you can really see it here how the back panel and that roof matches. We didn't replace this part. We only replaced this part here, and you just see how clean it looks. It would be hard to tell that this roof has actually ever been replaced, but this is the type of work that we do here at Grimes Paint and Body. And man, our technicians, they take their work very seriously and they take a lot of pride in it. But even the flutter foam that goes in there, we saved some of the factory, and then we had to re-glue it down with some of the other flutter foam that we use here. But yeah, I mean, this is made. You see a little black there. That's what we re-glued it back down in there. But it's just so clean. But yeah, just want to let you guys know what type of work you can expect at Grimes Paint Body. Give us a call, and if you have something you'd like us to take a look at,